How to delete your Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Google account if you no longer use it. So let's get started. Head over to your Google Chrome and then go to your profile in the top, and then you need to go to manage your Google account. And once you're there, go to data and privacy on the left hand side. Now you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom, and there you'll find delete your Google account. Just tap on it, and then you'll need to put in your password and verify that it's you, and you will need to give reasons on why you want to delete the account, and Google will delete the account for you within 24 hours if you give a valid reason. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.